Hello everyone, this is ThePandaPhotographer from 646studios.com, and I'm going to actually make this segment short, since you guys don't want to watch the live OBS videos, live streaming and recorded settings. So I'm going to make this video very short, get to the point. So with that said everyone, if you have a Nvidia graphics card, this will apply to you. If you do not have a Nvidia graphics card but have an AMD graphics card, these settings may apply or may not apply. So take this with a grain of salt, AMD users. So with that said, let's go into Nvidia control panel. We're going to set a few things up before we start. Doing anything in OBS is important and it's crucial. In the physics configuration, you really want to emphasize to make the graphics card your primary physics card. When you do so, you're going to click apply. When you click apply, we're going to go into management 3D settings. What we're going to do is go into program settings. Once program settings is loaded up, we are going to actually select OBS, and we're going to add OBS. If you don't see it in your custom software box, we're going to add OBS. And when we're going to add OBS, we're going to actually have OBS work with the integrated graphics features on the Intel CPU chip. So keep that in mind. Once you do so, click apply. All right, and once you're done, we're going to go into adjustment image settings. What we're going to use is we're going to balance this out for our recording live streams, and we're going to be doing it basically really for recording your desktop. We're going to hit balance plus apply, and you are done. Now we're going to go into OBS. We are also going to go into streaming settings. Our output mode is going to be in advanced mode. When you do so, make sure you click your audio tracks 1 or 2. If you're doing the audios like I'm doing right now, click 1. Alright, your encoder is going to be X246. We're going to click the box that says Enforce Streaming Services Encoder Settings. We're going to also click the box that says Rescale Output. We're going to select 1080. We're going to use 1080p, so we're going to use 1920 by 1080. Okay, our rate control is going to be CBR at a bit rate of 3500. The reason why is that if you have a very good internet connection, we absolutely want the best internet connection, and 3500 is just a sweet spot for the 1080p, so keep that in mind. The keyframe interval is going to be at 2. The CPU usage preset is going to be at faster. If you are set at either very fast, you want to put faster. Now keep in mind, if you have a quad core CPU, you want to put faster. If you have a dual core processor, you want to just let it stay at very fast. Okay, profile is at main, tuning is at none, and X246 options, there's none set. Now we're going to go into recordings. Now this also, the output mode is going to be in advance. Now keep in mind, take this with a grain of salt, ladies and gentlemen. Your system may vary. These settings here are working with SSDs, so I'm going to explain why. So I'm going to click the type standard. My recording path, which is the folder that you're going to be doing all your recordings from your desktop, is going to go into this folder. So make sure that you choose the folder and select that folder. Now we're going to choose the recording format. The recording format is going to be MP4. So this is the best settings at this time. I'm going to select audio track 1 once again. The encoder is going to be our Nvidia graphics card, which is H246. So please select that. Our rescale output is going to be at 1920 by 1080 for 1080p uploads. So when you are recording your desktop at 1080p, you're going to get very crispy images every single time. Now if you want to shoot in 4K, that's an option. But this video, I will have to make another video about 4K recording. But our bitrate control, our rate control is at VBR, not CBR. VBR is better, trust me. Now if you have a mechanical hard drive, please note that the bitrate may change. So I'm using SSDs, so my bitrate is at 15,000. So if you are using a mechanical hard drive, you may want to set it at 5,000 or 8,000. Keep that in mind. Our keyframe intervals on this settings is at 2. Our presets is on very high. Our profile is on high. Our levels on audio. And we're going to check the box that says use 2 pass encoding. Our GPU is at 0 and our B frame is also at 2. So these are the settings. You click apply, click OK, you should be good to go. And make sure that when you are recording in 1080p or streaming in 1080p, that you are using the best settings. And I definitely recommend this for quad-core systems more than dual-core CPUs. So quad-cores work the best. But with that said, everyone, this is ThePandaPhotographer from 616studios.com. If you like what you see here, please give me a thumbs up. And if I miss anything, let me know down in the comments below. But if you guys want to support the channel, just hit the subscribe button, like, and share. There's a PayPal donation link down in the description below. It really does help me out, ladies and gentlemen. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.